Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Procore for beginners. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Procore, and then you'd be able to see the website. So the very first website, you just have to click on it and you'd be directed to this website. Okay, so let me just type out Procore. That's right. And then click on the first result and you'd be redirected to this section. Okay, so now Procore is a tool that can manage your construction projects from pre-construction to close out with the insights you need to maximize safety, efficiency, and return. So right here, you can start to get a custom code. So let's see the pricing first. We just have to provide this information so that we'll know if how much we are going to pay to access Procore. Okay, so again, it can help you to manage your construction projects from pre-construction to close out with the insights you need to maximize safety, efficiency, and return. Okay, so now scrolling down, this is your platform for the future of construction. So you have main contractors, owners, and subcontractors. Now, streamline every build from tendering to close out. So as you can see, for the products, we have project management, quality and safety, and financial management. Now let us all see all of the available products on Procore. So just click on the See All Products option. So for the pre-construction, we have the tender management, the BIM, and then the estimating. So for the tender management, save time throughout the tendering process with features and let you distribute information, collect tenders, and track coverage and all in one piece. So equip the entire site team with instant access to reliable BIM data right in their pocket, mitigate risk, and build the project owners are expecting. Next one, the estimating. Win more tenders in less time by performing quantity takeoffs and estimating construction projects all in one systems. Now for the project management, we have project management and quality and safety. So easy to use mobile project management software that improves efficiency by connecting site and office to real-time visibility. And when we clicked on learn more, as you can see right here, on time and on budget. So connect to your teams and project information so you can make better decisions. Now for the communication, we have the closed communication loop. So mobile collaboration tools are built for the site, making it easy for everyone to have a clear understanding of what needs to get done in every day to stay on schedule and prevent rework. Plus, efficiently capture and manage all project correspondence. Everything is easily accessible in one place to minimize risk and mitigate project disputes. Next, the access to keep information accurate. So trust that all stakeholders have access to the latest information in centralized location and in a format that everyone can understand. Plus, information is updated instantly so all stakeholders have ultimate visibility, mitigate risk with accurate data logs. Okay, so the next one is the visibility. Stay ahead of your projects, so quickly identify potential issues and their impact to schedule and budget. So avoid unwanted surprises with better project visibility. Plus, project overview gives a complete picture of any understanding items, and plus, track all steps and speed up the approval process. Okay, next one is statistically better. So see how project management helps the clients improve their processes across the board. So we have 8 days faster. So main contractors say that they're able to process and distribute RFIs and submittals on average 8 days faster since adopting Procore. Next, 15 days saves. The main contractors say that they save an average of 15 days by using Procore on their projects and 90% improve communication. So if surveyed customers agree Procore improves their field to office communication. Now going back to the different products. So here we have the financials. So we have project financials, accounting integrations, and invoice management. So for the project financials, manage accurate budgets with reliable data drawn from the site and see in real time how your spending decisions affect the profit you'll have at close out. Next is the accounting integration. So align project management and accounting with Procore's cloud-based construction management platform and your company's trusted accounting system. Next is the invoice management, to streamline billing across stakeholders so everyone has access to the latest information in one organized platform. So for the resources, we have resource tracking, so make informed monetary decisions using real-time insight and cost and labor to keep your project within budget and on schedule. So for data, we have the analytics and co-pilot, so power profitable project, identify risk, uncover inefficiencies, and take action from the Procore platform to stay ahead of issues and AI powered capabilities to help increase productivity and efficiency. Now, going back to the financial section. So, for the project financials, let's learn more about this one. So, minimize risk. The first one is accurate. So, budget wisely, manage change from the site in real time, creating budgets that more accurately reflect where your budget stands at any moment. And then the next one is the visibility. So course correct. So identify, track critical costs and forecasting tools that show you what you have to do today to make up yesterday's overspending and delays. So here, meet deadlines to reduce project delays by empowering project teams with access to the real-time data that they need to quickly resolve disputes and initiate change. Okay, so next one is collaborative to reduce exposures, to bring change management to the site, facilitating faster approvals, more accurate communication, and eliminating the need to proceed at risk, and give accounting teams instant visibility into change as it occurs on the site. Next, real time to take control of labor costs. The moment timesheets are submitted in Procore, they are instantly updated in your budget, giving you real time visibility into the financial impact of labor costs. And then here we have the numbers you can take to the bank. So we have 73% improved project cost tracking, 70% more accurate forecast, and 16% reduction in rework. And of course, one major advantage of Procore is its ability to centralize all project related information in a single platform, making collaboration easier and more efficient. And of course, and it is a cloud based, team members can access real time updates, documents, and progress reports from anywhere, reducing communication delays and costly errors. And then it is user-friendly interface allows for seamless coordination between contractors, architects, and project managers, ensuring that everyone stays aligned with the project's goals and deadlines. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.